But I think that oftentimes people overcomplicate launching, especially when they're launching for the first time. And what I would call a beta course, when you run through your course for the first time with learners, you don't need very many people. And you need, I mean, depending on how big your audience is and how many perhaps one-to-one clients you're working with, as low as 5 people could be extremely powerful in your initial launch, because you're able to get intimate and in-depth feedback from those 5 people. Now, when it comes to relaunching, the idea would be that you're already confident in your product because you've gotten feedback and you've made changes in the learning experience that you know are going to help your dream client achieve results. So launching that should be easier because you know that it works, right? And that's when launch experts come in and say, okay, this is how many emails you should send out. These are the freebies. This is the funnel, da, 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 da. Because you have a product that you know is viable and is going to sell and achieve results.